Morning, Steve Reed in Chicago with the morning grain comments. We've got grain prices higher. Beans up 7 cents, meal's up $4, corn's up 3 cents, and wheat's up 6 cents. Outside markets looks like stocks are going to open up lower. The dollar's unchanged to higher, while crude is sharply higher. Gold is also sharply higher. The attack in Gaza of the hospital has raises the tension between Israel and Palestine. It also has raised concern by the Arab countries trying to find out whose missile actually hit that hospital. The President of the United States is in Israel, offering support to Israel, but some meetings that he had planned with some of the Arab nations to try to ease the tension were canceled because of the hospital explosion. We also noted that Russia continues to strike parts of the Ukraine, adding questions to Ukraine's corridor as far as grain exports are concerned. Weather-wise, the second week of the U.S. Midwest forecast calls for some rain. It's not enough to help the navigation of the Mississippi River, but could slow harvest a little bit, and the rains will not help the Southern Plains wheat emergence. We also note that parts of southern Ukraine and southern Russia is dry. We also note that Brazil, central north, is dry, and as long as the Amazon is dry, it probably will remain dry there, especially in the northeast part of Brazil. Argentina is supposed to get some rains, and Australia, Western Australia is dry, but so far the yields are coming in just a little bit better than what the USDA is forecasting. The dryness in Argentina is reducing Argentina's wheat export forecast. The U.S. crush data was better than expected for September, and also we're noting that the Argentina weather situation is helping meal exports out of the United States, and the funds turned buyers once we traded over $400 on the December meal. The meal inversion, D's to March, increased to $7, while the carry in the beans, no Jan, widened out to minus 20 cents. Farmers still not selling corn, and we think that ultimately the corn crop could be a little bit smaller in January than what the USDA said in October. We noted that one of the private crop groups came out with some acres for next year, 92.5 million corn acres versus 94.8, beans 86 versus 83.6, and all wheat 48.7 versus 49.5. Again, it's a long time between now and then. But right now, higher soybean prices probably could increase bean acres over corn.